I don't know about you, but whenever I buy a new electronic, I always make sure I get the right protection for them. Usually a full body case, a screen protector. I always make sure to grab something to protect them, hold their value, and also prevent them from getting damage. Especially on these glossy cases on the Airpods. But when the Airpods 2 got released with the wireless charging case, there wasn't any cases out there available that were fully compatible for the wireless charging. You were able to transfer your old accessories like cases from the first gen Airpods to the new wireless charging case, but you lose some of its important functionalities, like wireless charging, so what was the whole point? And even if you had the silicone one, like this one, it's still blocking the LED indicator, and you have to properly center it properly on the charging pad for it to charge correctly. So during its launch, when the wireless charging case finally became available, there was 0 fully supportive cases, until now. These 2 cases are from Elago, and they said to be fully supportive for the wireless charging case for the Airpods. In the backside of the package, it does say there's a little divot right here for the pairing button so it can be easily pressed. This was an issue with other cases from the non-charge version of the travel case. And on the front, it looks like there's a thin membrane where the LED light could easily transfer through the case. And the other case, what makes this one different than the other one, for the same price, you can actually get a glow-in-the-dark option, and this one glows blue, which we'll test out in a little bit. Placing it on was extremely easy and simple. And the seal that goes across the lid is perfectly flushed, and the LED easily transferred through. But there is also a little hinge back here that actually aids it whenever you open it up. Placing it down on the charging wireless pad was really easy. As soon as you place it down, immediately it starts charging. And the silicone body that it has is really shock absorbent, shock resistant, so if you would drop it on even the solid of concrete, it'd be perfectly fine. And of course, having a silicone body, it is a little bit difficult to place in and out of your pockets, but nothing too extreme, well, depending on how tight you wear your jeans, that is. Now, once you expose the case for the glow-in-the-dark one in direct sunlight and take it inside a dark room environment, it glows really nice and cool. It almost looked like a quantum Nuka-Cola from Fallout. Yeah, I play games, so what? So this case wasn't as translucent as I was expecting it to be compared to the non-glow-in-the-dark one, as this one's just white, but the same texture and body is exactly the same. But one thing that I have noticed is that it's not really fully optimized like how it was advertised to be supportive on the wireless charging case. As the pair button on the case itself, the divot's too low than it is on the actual case. It's here in the middle. It's still accessible, you just have to press it. Since it's silicone, you can still press it. Just thought I had to point that out. It works perfectly fine when it's charging. The LED light transfers through the case really well. So for $7.99, this is actually a really cool case. I like it. And if you want the little carabiner attachment, there is one that they have with the same color options like this one for just $2 more, I believe. But that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to quickly review the case I'm currently using for my AirPods wireless charging case. If you're looking for a unique case that's not too bulky, that doesn't ruin the entire look of the AirPods, definitely do check these out. And they're really reasonably priced from what I've seen. And it's still easy to operate single-handedly, and the port underneath is perfectly lined up. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. Be sure to leave this video a big thumbs up, as that only lets me know, but that also strongly helps support the channel. And while you're at it, if you're new here, I highly suggest subscribing, as I pretty much cover anything tech related. I always just enjoy sharing it all with you guys, so if you'd like to stay tuned for a ride, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But as always, thank you once again for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.